All right, we're going to start by showing you guys how to get onto Google Drawings to design a keychain. And it'll be something we can cut out on the laser out of acrylic plastic, which is usually called plexiglass. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to go up here to the top right, and I'm going to select my Google Drive. Once I'm in my Google Drive, I'm going to go ahead and start a new file from the plus over here. I will bring my mouse down to more and choose Google Drawings. Once I am in Google Drawings, I can draw something in this space for my keychain, but I think this will be a much too large keychain. It's going to be about the size of a sheet of paper. So what I will do is go to File and down to Page Setup. When Page Setup arrives, it has some standard sizes. We want to make it custom, so I'll click in this box and select Custom. At this point, I'm going to type in the size of my basic keychain of 3 by 1.5 inches and hit Apply. It'll look large because it's zoomed in, but this is still a 3-inch wide by 1.5-inch object. If I want to view this slightly different, I can go to View and zoom it. If I zoom to, say, 100%, it would be the exact size of the keychain, generally, or very close to. And if I want it a little bit bigger, I can maybe zoom to, say, 200. I can see what I'm doing. At this point, I can start adding things in. So for mine, I'm going to add a text box, which is the T up here. I'm going to click, and I'm going to type something in like Mr. H. If I want to change the font a little bit, I can. I can enlarge it. I can change the font type. If I change my box a little bit, I can get it to fit here and make it really big if I wanted to. And move it around. I can center it with that red line, and I can now include other things. If I wanted to, when I move it, if I wanted to select a different font, I could. And there are a lot of basic fonts to work with, or I could leave it as it is. And I'm going to like this blocky letter, so I'm going to leave it like that. Now I want to insert an image. I could get something from my Google Drive if I have it saved already. I can upload something from my computer if I'm using a Windows or a Mac. Or I can search the web, which is really handy. And I'm going to do something that is a clip art or logo type image because I want it to be very simple, black and white or gray. So for this one, I'm going to go Packers. I'm going to type in Packers, see what I get. Oh, okay, I see a bunch of logos. This will turn fine. I can pick any one of these and select Insert, and it will place it in here. And if it's a little too large, we can change it. So I can scroll this down. Now the laser can't burn in yellow and green, but it will do the yellow in a light gray, and it will do the green in a dark color, dark burn. It's basically going to burn this more or less the darker the color it is. So this could be my keychain, and this is what I'm going to save. And then when you get it to me, I will end up putting a box shape like this around it in my other program that will do the actual cutting. So it'll be able to cut the corners off a little bit like this. And create something like that. But you do not have to do the outside border. You just need to put something in here that fits. Another thing that I will add for you as well to make sure that it works properly is a circle that will be placed there and cut out so that you can attach this to a keychain. There you have it. If you need to, you can rewind back and review any of this to double check. At this point, you would share and you would give it a name if you haven't already named it up on the top left. So you could say your name. I'm going to call this Keychain 2. Keychain 2. So I've done a few already. And then you would type in who you want to send it to. So I'm going to type in Hawkers, and there's me. I can send it to myself, hit send, and now I have it to work on here at school and get it created for you.